Hi friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Stream and I hope you are doing well. Friend, in this video we are going to discuss the free course regarding the stock market investing. And friend, if you are a beginner or you are already investing in the stock market, so it is a very good opportunity for you to increase your knowledge and update it. And friend, this course is available in the English language and you can do this course from anywhere from the any country. So take the advantage of this course and increase your knowledge. And friend, please watch the video complete to know regarding the what are the course details and how you can enroll. So let's start the video. So, friend, this stock market investing course is provided by the Udemy, and here you can see you will be able to learn all the basics of the stock market through comprehensive, interesting, and fun lectures. So, it is a very good opportunity for you, and friend, it is absolutely free. And you can see here, 3,40,000 314 students has already completed this course, and you can see here this course is available in the English language and also they are having subtitles so you can understand it better. So how you can enroll we will discuss later. Let's first check regarding this course. So friend, here you can see what you will learn in this course, like you will learn about the stock market and you understand many of the comprehensive complexities of the markets, and you will get the confidence to begin investing virtual money and know how to talk about this stock market investing. So you can see these are the some given. And friend, it is a free course and you can see here the course content is given, and you can see in the requirement section, no prerequisite is given. There is a no any prerequisites requirements and anyone can do this course. So friend, here you can see a description is given. That is you can see this course is all about the introducing you to exciting world of the stock market, taking you from the very foundation of what is a stock to teaching you about different investing strategies like fundamental and technical analysis. And they also discuss in the investment strategies by some of the most successful investor in the world like Warren Buffett and Peter Lynch, and who both achieved tremendous track records over 40 plus years of long career. And friend, after each set of lectures you will have the chance to test your knowledge by taking the quizzes on the material covered, and also by the end of this course you will receive a certificate showing you successfully finished. This course is designed to give you a solid introduction of the market and ins and outs. And friend, you can see here the feedback from the past students are also given here. You can see, you can check. I will give the this link in the description box so that you can visit it and get the more knowledge. So friend, here you can see what are their modules and what are the course content. So here you can see the course is divided into a total seven sections. You can see first is introductory course, then stock basis, then going deeper, in which they will provide you in depth knowledge, then legendary investors, trading a financial statement, investing strategies, and your next steps. So friend, here you can see we are going to check the one by one. So you can see here the introductory course in which you will learn the what is the stock market, and after that you have to give the one quiz. Then you can see after that you have to do the in the next module stock basics, in which you learn the how is the money made with the stocks, and describing a stock type of stocks. So these are the some is given. So here you can see in the third module you will learn the like the stock exchange and the market, what are the IPO process, and a quiz on looking deeper into the markets. Then you can see some legendary investors. You should hear their name in the stock market. They are very famous. So you can see like Warren Buffett for value investing, then Philip Fisher for growth investing, and also you will learn the Phillips Fisher 15-point investment checklist. So you can see it is a very good opportunity. And you can see here reading a financial statement, like how you can read the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. So you will learn in this course. Then you can see investing strategy module in which you will learn the fundamental versus technical analysis, how we can do this analysis and what are their difference. Then you can see value investing, quiz on fundamental and technical analysis. So these are the some topic is given. Then you can see here sorry, the last step is your next steps in which you will learn how you can do the stock market investing. So friend, these are the very good course and it is absolutely free. So please do this course and take the knowledge, and according to your interest you can do the stock market if you like it. So friend, here you can see it is a free course in which you can see you will get the online video content, so which is very important, you will get the content. And for the paid course you will get the certificate of completion, instructor question and answer, and instructor direct message. But friend, it is very important that you will get the content, so you will get the more knowledge. And certificate is means you will get, but for that you have to pay some amount, but content is absolutely free. So friend, let's check how you can enroll in these courses. So friend, for enrolling you have to simply click on this enroll now. So once you click friend, then you have to provide your full name, you have to enter your email id, you have to enter create one password and enter here. And after that you have to click on this sign up. So friend, once you sign up, then this type of interface will come. And here you can see start course button icon is given, you have to click on it. So once you click, then this type of page will come, and here you can see the various courses are given. You can see here like section 1, section 2, section 3, and all the sections are provided with through their videos, so you can understand it better, and you can complete it according to your time. Means it is a self paced, so whenever you will get the time you can complete it. There is a no, not any time limit. So friend, please take the advantage and enroll in these courses. And friend, if you like the my video, please subscribe mechanical stream, so that we can produce the more these type of courses and you will get the knowledge. And friend, please subscribe mechanical stream. Thank you.